Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to install OSMO Dashcam Pro. First, take the micro SD and insert it into the slot on the dashcam. Make sure it clicks in securely so it doesn't move while driving, and double check that the card is formatted correctly if needed. Next, find a clean spot on your windshield where the dashcam will have a clear view of the road. Wipe the area with a dry cloth to remove dust or dirt, so the suction mount sticks firmly. Attach the suction cup mount to the dashcam, then press it against the windshield and lock it into place. Adjust the angle so the camera captures the full road ahead without blocking your view while driving. Now plug the card charge into the dashcam's power port and connect to the other and your vehicle's 12V outlet. Route the cable carefully along the degrees of the windshield and dashboard, using cable clips or guides if needed. To keep it neat and prevent it from dangling or interfering with driving controls, if your dashcam comes with a rear camera, mount it on the back windshield so it has an unobstructed view. Connect the rear camera cable to the main dashboard cam unit and tug the cable along with the car's interior trim for a clean setup. Once connected, the dashcam will automatically turn on when the vehicle starts and turn off when the car is switched off. You can also manually power it on or off using the button on the device. Before you start driving, make sure to check the camera angles one more time and confirm that both front and rear cameras are recording correctly. Many models also let you adjust video resolution and loop recording settings in the menu. Take a minute to set those according to your needs. And that's it. Your OSMO Dashcam Pro is now ready to capture every moment on the road, helping you driving safely and securely while recording both front and rear views. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.